Hi, I'm Christopher Kasich, Culinary Manager from Cadco Ltd. And today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean your oven. We get a lot of questions and a lot of call-ins on how to take off the door, how to remove the shelves, and how to properly get into the oven cavity. Today we're going to show you how. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your oven is unplugged from its power source, whether it be 120, 220, or 220 locking. The second thing that you want to do is make sure that your oven is cool to the touch. The easiest way to make sure that your oven cavity is cool is to actually just touch right above the door here. If it's cool to the touch, you're ready to start removing the door and removing your inner shelving. Now it's time to take off the door for easy access to the inside of the cavity. What you want to do is open up your oven door, and on both of the hinges, you'll notice that there's two locking points. These locking points are moved up and back to their topmost position. Now you're ready to take off the door. Simply pull the door back up to the closed position, move it forward, and then pull it out. Your door's off now for easy cleaning. Once the front door has been removed, you have easy access to get the racks and rack supports out from the inside of the oven. What I do is I take all three of the racks out and place them right into a dishwasher. If you don't have the racks in there, that's okay. The next thing that I do is remove the rack supports. These attach simply with a small thumb screw. If the thumb screw is in there pretty tight, you can use a flat-bladed screwdriver or the back side of a butter knife. Now that you got your racks out and your oven cavity is clear, you can give it a thorough cleaning. What I like to do is use a non-caustic stainless steel safe oven cleaner. What we do is spray a little on the bottom, some on the sides, and just wipe it out. If you have any tough baked on particles or food residue, let the oven cleaner sit for about 45 minutes to break down. If you have any tough particles or food residue that might have gotten stuck onto the back baffle, you can very easily remove 4 of the sheet metal screws that are in there. The back baffle will remove, and you can get access to underneath the fan and next to the element. Now that we have our left and right rack supports back in, we can put our clean wire racks back into our oven case. If you do not want to use the oven racks, you don't have to. I like just to reinstall them right now. Now that your rack supports and wire racks are back into the oven cavity, you can put back on the door. The easiest way to do it is just reverse what you did to take it off. Place the oven door into the receptacles and then just flip your locking pins back into position. Now you can close your oven door securely. If your hinges are misaligned, the door will not close either all the way or will come off in your hands. Now that your oven is clean and reassembled, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest questions that we receive here at Cadco, and that's how much space I need in between my other appliances and my Cadco oven. The reason why we want space is for proper ventilation. This helps elongate the mechanical components of your oven. What we recommend is about 4 inches in between other appliances and your oven. This includes back walls and other side walls. When you have 4 inches, it allows for proper air circulation around your oven. If you don't have 4 inches, I recommend going no less than 2 inches. If you have any questions or comments about any of the Cadco product line, you can contact me at 1-877-603-7393, or you can email me at chris@cadco-ltd.com.